So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure ABCD is a square. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So this is a square. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So this side has a length of 8 centimeter. So it is a square. So all sides are equal to 8 centimeter. O is the center of this semicircle, so is the center of this semicircle, and PB and CQ are tangent to the semicircle. So this is PB and this is CQ and both are tangent to this semicircle. Then we have to find the area of this blue quadrilateral. So this is the problem. So let's see how we can solve this. So you see this figure. So we have to find this area. Our goal is to find this area. So you see, if I join this O point to this Z point, now there are two triangles. One is this and one is this, and both are same. So how they are same? Uh, because this AB has a length of 8. So now you know this AD is also has a length of 8. O is the center of the semicircle. So this is radius and this is also radius, and both are equal to 8 divided by 2, 4 centimeter. So the radius of the semicircle is 4 centimeter. Now we know this OP distance and OQ distance are also equal to 4 centimeter because they are also equal to the radius. And this figure is symmetric about this line. You can see that the figure is symmetric about this line OZ. So if we assume this PZ distance as x, so this ZQ distance is also equal to x because figure is symmetric. So now we can write this triangle area because it is a right angle triangle. So we can easily write area as half times base times x. And we can also write this triangle area as half times base times x, which is coming as 4 times x. So this is the total quadrilateral area. It is 4 times x, where 4 is this and x is this. So if we find out x, then we can easily find out the quadrilateral area. So now let's see how we can find out x. So now you see the triangle BYC. So if you see the triangle BYC, in this triangle this is 8 centimeter, and let's assume this distance is dy has a distance of y centimeter or has a length of y centimeter. So we know this whole thing is also 8, so this remaining thing is 8 minus y. So we know YC is equal to 8 minus y, and we also know BC has a length of 8. So this thing, and we also know this AB has a length of 8. So this AB and PB are both tangent from the same point, tangent from same point B to the semicircle. So this PB length is equal to this AB length. We know if we draw tangent from the same point to the semicircle, then the both length are equal, both tangent length are equal. So we know this is 8, and we initially assume this as x, so this will come as 8 minus x because this PB is equal to 8. So if PZ is equal to x, then BZ will come as 8 minus x. So this will come as 8 minus x, and from the y point there is also this two tangent, one is this and one is this. So if we assume this has y length, then this will also have y length. uh, because here I write as 2 centimeter, because if you calculate further it will come as 2 centimeter. I will show you, but as of now you assume this as y. So this is y and this length is also y. This length has a x and this length has a 8 minus x. Now you see the triangle BYC. I can apply the Pythagoras theorem because this is right angle triangle. So 8 square plus 8 minus y square is equal to 8 plus y square, because this by length is equal to this pb length, which is we know 8, and this py length, which is y, and py length is same as dy because they are the uh, tangent from the same point right to the semicircle. Now you can open this. It will come as 8 square plus 8 square plus y square minus 16y is equal to 8 square plus y square plus 16y. So now this will cancel, and 30y is equal to 64. So y will come as 2 centimeter, that I write here. So this is 2 centimeter. Now you see there are two triangles. One is BZX, one is BZX, and one is CYZ. This thing. So we can see this angle is equal to this angle because they are opposite. This angle is equal to this angle because these and this are parallel. So and this angle will be equal to this angle. So all three angles are same in both the triangles. So these are similar triangles. So what we can do, we can equate the ratio of the sides. So we know the figure is symmetric. So if this is y, then this is also y and this is also 2. So this distance is also 8 minus y, and this distance you see this will come as also 8 minus x, and this distance will come as similarly here is 2 plus x. So now you see if I draw both the triangles. So here it is z, here it is x, and here it is b. So this is angle z, and here it is angle x, and here it is angle b. This distance is 8 minus y, this distance is 8 minus x, and this distance is 2 plus x. And if I draw another triangle, so now you see if I draw another triangle which is this z, c and y. So this is z point, this is c point, and this is y point. And we know this angle which is, let's say this angle is x. So we know this angle is also x. So at the point C, the angle is forming as x. And the opposite side of the angle x is 8 minus x, and here opposite side is 2 plus x. So C angle opposite side is this 2 plus x. So I draw here. We know this angle as B. So we also know this angle as B. So at the point Y, the angle is forming as B, and the side attached to B is this 8 minus x. Sorry. So this is angle B and this is angle B, and the side attached to, we are seeing this triangle Z, C and Y. So side attached to the angle Y and the point B is this 2 plus X. So I just write this. So now you can equate the ratio of the sides because both triangles are similar. So you can write 2 plus X divided by 8 minus X is equal to this 8 minus Y divided by 8 minus Y. So from here you can see that this 2 plus x is equal to 8 minus x, and x from here you can calculate as 3 centimeter. So we calculate by similarity of the triangle x as 3 centimeter. So now you know this x also and this 4 also, and we calculated the this quadrilateral area as 2 times the triangle area, which is this, which is 4 times x, and x we know as 3, so it will come as 12 centimeter square, and in this way we can solve this problem.